So this video is going to walk you through how to schedule your Facebook post, your Instagram posts, and the reels that we've delivered to you from the 2023 holiday calendar. First thing you want to do is make sure that you're in Facebook and you have accessed your Facebook business page. You also want to make sure that you have access to your calendar, because this is going to help you with the dates. To know which dates you are going to want to schedule the post on. And once you are on your Facebook business page, we're going to go to the Meta Business Suite so that we can start scheduling the posts. You also want to make sure that you've downloaded the Facebook posts, the Instagram posts, and the reels, and that you've unzipped all of those folders. So in the email that you received with this video, there's another video that you can watch that'll walk you through how to download the posts from the Google Drive and how to unzip the posts so that you have each file individually available for you to now start scheduling. So once you have access to your Facebook business page, the best and easiest way to access the Meta Business Suite is just go over to, as if you were going to create a new post, and click on where it says what's on your mind. And then with this pop-up, you should see this option right here, schedule your post from Meta Business Suite. So we're going to go ahead and click on Meta Business Suite, and now it opens up a new tab for us, which takes us to the Meta Business Suite Planner. So if you have any posts that are already scheduled, you'll see them listed here, either ones that were posted in the past or scheduled in the future. And so what we're going to do now is go in the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to click on the upside down white triangle, which then gives us a menu to create post, stories, reels, and some other options. We're going to focus on the create post option, which will then allow us to start to build the post that we are wanting to schedule. And the first step that we're going to do is we're going to post the Facebook we're going to schedule the Facebook post. And so right up here, the first thing you want to make sure is where it says post to, is make sure that you have your Facebook business page with a checkbox. You should not have checkboxes in any of the other options, just the one to your Facebook business page. And then the next step is going under media. This is where you're going to upload the Facebook photo that you downloaded and unzipped onto your computer. So we'll go upload from desktop. I actually have a folder called holiday posts, and I'm going into my Facebook posts. And for now, the one that I'm going to go ahead and grab is the one for March 30th, which is National Doctors Day. So I've clicked on that, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see that it's populating the view of what the post is going to look like with the post that you just uploaded from your computer. And then the next step 3 is the post details. So in this text box, you're going to write your caption here. If we've given you a list of hashtags for you to use, if you've gone through my social media facelift program, then this is where you can go ahead and just copy and paste your hashtags right here. If you don't have those, but you want to add some, there's a hashtag option here where you can look at what's popular. You can also search for specific hashtags. So for example, this one is National Doctors Day. And here we have this one right here. So we can click on that and have it add that, and it populates that right into the post for us. The other thing is, if you want to add any emojis, you have all of this option here for you to pick something as well. So you can populate your caption option here. And then there is another option that you have down here, which is to add a location. So I do highly suggest that if you operate in a specific geographical area for your business, is to just go ahead and click on that map pin looking icon and then enter your location. I'm in Denver, Colorado. So I've got the map pin. I could also find specific places in Denver, Colorado. But the benefit of adding your geographical location is that the algorithm will show your post potentially to others that are also in that geographical area, whether they're following you or not. And then the next step is the scheduling option. So if you clicked publish now, if you left it on publish now and clicked publish, that would have the post go onto your page immediately. But that's not what we're doing, because we're scheduling this one because Doctor's Day is in the future, March 30th. So I'm going to hit schedule, and I'm just going to click into the date, and I'm going to put it for March 30th. And then I can manually change the time here. There's also something that's kind of nice that's called active times. So if you click on active times, it's actually telling you the best time that it feels you should post this into your Facebook business page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one and select that active time. And then the blue schedule option is now available for me, and I'm going to click on schedule. And so what that's going to do now is prepare this post as if it's completed, but it's going to put it on the planner for the date that I selected in the scheduling options. So once you're done, it takes you to the planner, and you can actually see the post is visible in my planner now for tomorrow at 7 a.m. for Facebook. So let's go ahead and now do the next one and schedule the post for Instagram. And the reason why we don't do the Instagram and Facebook post together is because the dimensions of the posts are different. The size for Facebook is different than the size for Instagram. So we want them to fit perfectly in the required dimensions. So we're going to click on the post to, I'm going to remove the checkbox next to my Facebook page, and I'm going to select the checkbox next to my Instagram page. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the repeat of selecting the photo from my computer. I'm going to go back now into my Instagram posts, and I'm selecting Doctor's Day. And then you'll see the post will get populated on the right-hand side. And you'll notice that it is a bit more longer, narrow. It's a smaller dimension than the Facebook. And then the same thing on the post details. You're going to write the post caption, whatever that is, you'll write that here. If we've given you the list of hashtags, you can copy and paste them also, or again, go into the search and type in National Doctors Day, and then select that one. You'll notice that we're getting one for Facebook, and then we're also getting one for Instagram. And so since we are actually doing this in Instagram, let's go ahead and select the one for Instagram that has the highest volume, 145,000 posts. So we'll add that in there. And then again, you've got the emoji option. And then here's the location. So do the same thing, type in your city and state that you are wanting to appear, and have the algorithm know which area you are in and what area it should start showing the post to. And then again, we're going to click the schedule and select the calendar, pick the date, and then again, we've got active times. Now the times are different for Instagram that it's recommending than Facebook. So Facebook, it said 7 a.m. Instagram, it's saying 1 p.m. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then I'm going to select schedule. And then it's going to pop us back over to the planner view again. And it should show us the scheduled Facebook post for tomorrow, along with the scheduled Instagram post scheduled for tomorrow at 1 o'clock. And then lastly is scheduling the reel. So we're going to do the same upside down white triangle, but this time instead of selecting create post, we're going to select create reel. And then for the share to, you can actually do the reel for both Facebook and Instagram. So make sure you have both of those check mark boxes selected. And then we're going to select add video. I'm going to go into my reels. And now I'm going to find my Doctor's Day. And then you see that it's actually playing that reel here on the right-hand side. And then the next selection is the reel details. So same thing, add your caption. You don't have the option to do a geographical location in this area. So add your caption. I can type here. Oh my goodness, my fingers. Add your caption. And then you can add some smiley faces there as well. Now, the thumbnail is kind of important because this is actually what people will see when the reel isn't playing and it's just sort of a static placement on your Facebook and Instagram pages. So I do suggest that you pick one that has like the most content visible, as opposed to this one, which is just the blank screen at the beginning. So wherever you have the blue check mark, that's what's going to appear as the thumbnail. So you can scroll through these and pick a different one than what Facebook has selected for you. You can upload your own thumbnail, or you can actually choose from the actual video itself. That's what the choose frame is. And then you'll go ahead and hit next. And if you want to add music to your reel, some of them have music, some of them don't have music, but you can select that from here. If, let's say that you wanted to have one that plays that's a thank you, you can actually search for one and then select one that has, the music that you like for it to play for you. And then once you've selected that, then you go ahead and hit next. And again, we're going to schedule up here at the top, and we're going to put this for tomorrow. Now, this doesn't have this perfect times for you to, it's not giving you the suggested time, but I'll go ahead and put this at a couple hours after the one that's going in Instagram. So we'll put this at 3:05 p.m. and then we'll go ahead and we'll hit schedule. So now we've scheduled the Facebook post for Doctor's Day. We've scheduled the Instagram post for Doctor's Day, and we've also scheduled the So that is how you are going to schedule your Facebook post, your Instagram post, and your reel. The reel is kind of still in the population process, so that's why we're not seeing it added here. But once it's done and ready, it will be available for you to see in your planner for scheduling. So best of luck with you, and happy social media scheduling with your holiday calendar posts.